Today we're reviewing the newer CA046 half cage for the FX3 or FX30. Let's take a look. So it's pretty light and small. It's really just half of the cage. I like that it does have a magnetic tool here. So the FX3 and the 30, they do have two mounting screws, or three mounting screws, but two mounting screws here that this is for the top NATO handle, and just one mounting screw at the end, one here for a handle and one here for another handle. But let's put this here. All right. Is this the right? Yes. Now, what I really like about it is that it's Arca Swiss, so it's perfect for the Ronin. I'm gonna put this on the Ronin just a second. And some of the cages that I've seen that has an Arca Swiss plate at the bottom, they actually extend to the battery. I'm not sure why. And the problem that happens when you're putting this on the Ronin is that you can't really balance the camera that goes into the battery because you have something going in here. So this one here doesn't. So I'm actually quite excited to see how that works. All right, so this is the bottom place with an Arca Swiss, which is brilliant. A lot of manufacturers are doing that. Oh, there you go. Here you have another screw here. I'm not sure what that screw's for, but right there you could put another one here because, I don't know, I would put another one here just to make this a little bit more. Let's see how this door, yeah, fine. Oh, you can put an HDMI thing here too. That would be perfect to hold on the HDMI cable. That's really good. All right, a couple of screws in here. Cold shoe. Okay, let's put the top NATO. That is kind of the same thing and maybe a little bit bigger than that. But they all block the hot shoe. So if you have that handle that goes on top, you're not going to be able to use that. I don't like that handle. It's really horrible. But anyway, just have that in mind that if you do need to use your hot shoe for the microphone for the FX3, this will block it. But this has the ARRI, which is the two and the two little things here for an ARRI type of connection, which is really good. NATO also, NATO right here. That's really great, really light. Let me try it now on the Ronin, see how this Arca Swiss thing here is gonna work. All right, so this is the Ronin RS3. This is the RS3 plate here. This is the Arca Swiss. The Arca Swiss, and it fits perfectly. So I would go like this. There you go. It has really a large amount of balancing options, a lot more than the original little thing here. Let me do a comparison here. So, well, maybe not a lot more, but maybe 1 centimeter more than the original plate. But it is much better because the original plate, if you take it off with the camera, you can't mount this anywhere, and here you can you know, mount it on a tripod and do a lot of other things. So this is definitely going to stay on my camera because I can go from a tripod to the Ronin without having to take off the cage, and that's really fantastic. Guys, really good design, small, light. I'm gonna look for the HDMI locking cable, whatever here. See if I can put a screw here to make this a little bit more stable, just like this one here. And exceptional product.
This is my newer half cage for the FX30 FX3. It's pretty nice. Smooth, easy to install. You know, got your NATO rail. Well, I like how many their quarter 20s are on this little rail. Yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty slim, sleek. And this part right here for the strap, I have to find my strap and put it back on. But then it can connect and yeah, let you hold, have the strap on there. So yeah, got this, much lighter than my old cage.